EUHOMY Commercial Ice Maker Machine, 99 lbs/24H stainless steel under-counter ice machine with 33 pounds ice storage capacity. Freestanding ice maker, a high-capacity and easy-to-use ice maker for various scenarios. Pros. The ice maker can produce up to 99 pounds of ice per day and store up to 33 pounds of ice in the bin, which can meet the ice needs of different occasions such as homes, restaurants, bars, hotels, and grocery stores. The ice maker supports 2 different ways of water supply, direct connection to the faucet or manual filling of the water tank, which gives you more flexibility and convenience. The ice maker has a smart LCD panel that shows the temperature of the environment, the ice making time, the cleaning mode, and other functions, and allows you to adjust the settings according to your preferences and needs. Cons. The ice maker requires a subscription plan, sold separately, to access some features such as person detection, advanced motion zones, and cloud storage for more than one device. The ice maker does not have a self-cleaning function and may require frequent descaling and maintenance to prevent clogging and mineral buildup. The ice maker may be too noisy or bulky for some users, especially those who have limited space or are sensitive to sound. The price is $332.99.